Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Philips headphones and I'm going to tell you how you can easily connect them to your phone. At first I'm going to say no, they don't have Bluetooth and you can't connect them to your phone. So let me take these headphones for a moment from here. And at first we have to prepare ourselves this antenna over here, as you can see, and mount this thing on our antenna. All this thingies comes with our headphones in the box. Here, as you can see, let's mount that here. Now we have to search for the charger for our plate, the power supply, of course. And as you can see, it looks like this. It's here, and as you can see here we have 4 transmitters. Now we have to plug that into the power supply, and we have something like that. Here we have to search for the power input, 5 volts, and plug this in. Now we have to select the channel, audio 1 or audio 2. I will select the audio 1. Now we have something like that, so let me move it, for example, here. I have a lot of cables here, so don't mind it. Now we have to take a phone, for example, this Nokia, with the jack port. Without the jack port you can't connect your headphones to your phone. Now we have to bring the cable from our station, not this one, this shorter one, because this shorter one is for the charging our headphones batteries. We have to search for this longer one, which is dedicated for the audio. So, as you can see, now we have to plug our cable straight into our phone, and now we have to take our headphones and turn them on using this switch here. But what after that? We have to search for this switch, which is here, and here we have channel. We can select the channel of our headphones. As you can remember, I've selected the number 1, so we have to switch to number 1 with this switch. This is number 2, this is number 1. And now it will work. Goodbye!